Alright, what's up guys? This is Jay, or Jabani, short J, coming in with another video. My Mini broke again. What a surprise, huh? I think I've only had this car break. Besides all the mods that I've done, it's only broken. This is the second time. First time was a pulley. It's been all the things that I've refused to replace when I did all the stuff like the supercharger and then, you know, all that other stuff. For whatever reason, I said, nah, it's be alright. And two of the things were, one, the crank pulley, which went out, and I replaced it with a liquid gel one. And now two, the belt tensioner, and now it's making noise, as you can hear right now. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the rattle. But anyways, I'm gonna stop the car for now. Alright, so like I said, I try to turn it on so you guys can see. My guess is that the shock, strut mount, whatever hell, went out. So I'm going to try to tackle that today. Start off by checking out your car, obviously. Make sure you have a proper tensioner tool. Don't mind my dirty ass tensioner tool. And that you actually have the pin that goes with it. Hold on. Let me look for all this stuff. Okay, like I said, try to make sure you have your proper tools. I bought this kit on Amazon or eBay, I don't remember. I have a compressor, so hopefully it'll be a lot more easier for me than anybody else, I think. Hopefully. But as you can see, there's two, I think 60 millimeters, two there, that one, and you got this strap cable, and then this should be, I forgot what size it is, and I believe two 10 millimeter nuts. So I'm gonna start removing this and I'll come back and I'll show you guys. Alright, so it's a 13. Make sure this is gonna drop, don't lose it. You just swing it out the way. Take off all these evap lines off. Just press them. One out of the way. Yours may not come off, I don't know, mine's is broken, so whatever. Take these lines out. Probably move this to the side a little. I'm just making room. So those are the bolts to there. I'm kind of waiting for this thing to cool down because it's hot as shit. But I'll come back right now with my compressor again to show you what size it is. Okay, so like I said on the previous video, or previously, I mean, I have a compressor, so I'm gonna use it. Obviously, it's a lot easier if you have a compressor. This is an 18. I believe the other ones were 5/18. Or 5/8, I guess. Make sure you support the engine, obviously. What the fuck is wrong with the compressor? There you go, piece of shit. Alright, so like I said, try to support your engine because it's gonna probably suck. Oops, wrong way. These are a pain in the ass to put back. Let me remove this and I'll come back. No, sorry guys. I was using that, but as you can see, it broke. So once the mount is out, like I said, I use a, or is it 5/8 I think. Now obviously you want to tension this before you take off the mount, which I did, but I didn't show it. This is the spin, so I believe it should be 1, 2, 1 down there I think you can see from here sort of, and 3. It should be all the bolts that are on it, but we'll see. Well, like always, anything meaning, one shit becomes another. You need to take this off sort of, just so you can get to that bolt to make it easier. There's another 10, but then there's one big ass 5/18s I think over there, 5/8s. So yeah, once this thing is out, I'll let you know. Alright. This is what fails. I think the spring is still fine. So, with that being said, I'm gonna replace the shock. I have a replacement shock, and I have some Sport Pro, whatever the fuck they're called, bushings. So I should be able to replace this. Hopefully the spring doesn't detach, sort of. I'm pretty sure it's kinda, but we'll see right now. I'll show you guys right now what I do with this. Alright guys, sorry, it took a day after to come and get this. It's all gonna be in one video, but it did take me a day to get this shock, because apparently I lost the one I had. I had bought one originally, but here you go. It's now there you can see your Euro parts. I'll put the part number, but you do have to pop these OEM ones, which are fine. I use the socket and extension and rubber mallet to pull it out. I'll try to get the part number right now. Hold on. Okay, so this is the part number here, or it could be this one too. And these are the bushings I'm going to stick in there after. This is SuperPro SPF 3434K. These should outlast the tensioner itself, I think. So I gotta pop these out, pop the other one out, and hopefully stick these in. See if I can get it on video. But sorry if it doesn't seem like it works on your end. Whatever, it doesn't show it, but the other one was easier because I wanted to move. But this one's probably gonna take a lot of force just because that end moves. Sucks. This one spins. See, unlike this one, it was solid, so I was able to hold this train. This one, since it rotates, it's kind of more of a pain in the ass. But I'll get it early on. You'll find a way, I'm pretty sure. Find your own way to pop it out, and then just stick these in there with grease. Put it back in the tensioner, and you should be good. Well, I got both of them out now. So I should be able to install those. But yeah, so you guys get an idea. Alright, man. Alright, so you want to grease these up, obviously with the grease that's applied. I'm not going to show this because I lost or broke my GoPro holder, whatever. Grease it up, try to stick it in there somehow. Both sides, and I'll come back after. Show after once it's all put on, and then I can put it on the tensioner. Alright, so the bushings are on. Once they're greased, you can just squeeze them in there. The flare part goes out towards the facing front. Obviously I still gotta put these in there. Sorry. One hand, so. Damn, that's just sick. There goes that. There comes the felt part. Obviously don't need this. Back. Might put some thread locker on it just for the hell of it, but may not need it. So make sure you, I don't know, pack this thing with grease, as you can see here. So when you slide these in, it should be pretty lubed up. Okay, now I think we have a problem. These bolts are not gonna fit. This is weird. Look at the funny thing is that this one fits, but this one doesn't. Why the fuck does this one fit? That is very interesting. have to contact SuperPro now. It looks like they gave me different sizes for the washers themselves, which sucks. The only other shit I can do is probably stick this one in there instead. Let me see if they're the same length. Yeah, they're the same length. Screw it. I'm gonna use this one. That sucks if you ask me though. I don't know how it is that they sent me 2 different sizes. Luckily this one's already out of its bushing. But that's a very dumb problem to have, to be honest. My choice, I would have put washers there, but so, yeah, installation is reversible of removal. I may record it back, putting it back, or might not. I'm kind of in a time crunch. I need to finish this shit so I can get my car running, because I need to put my other car down for some other shit. So, but yeah, hopefully this helps you guys. Like, subscribe. More than likely, I'm not gonna put the reinstallation video because, like I said, I'm on the time crunch right now. But I should be able to post some new videos from my other cars that are coming after this. This is the last thing, hopefully, I gotta do on my Mini. Besides a couple of upgrades that I still gotta do. But yeah. Alright, man. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope it kind of helped you guys in something. And yeah, man. Peace.